Kuleshwani fibro te ki list Jong ki eligible and ineligible candidate nam ta ki post ki balai po Neigrihms. With reference to the advertisement dated 30 July 2024 published in the Neigrihms website for recruitment purely on contractual, temporary and contractual basis under Indian Council of Medical Research funded project titled The Burden of Hemoglobinopathies and Iron Overload in Pregnant Women of Tribal Dominant State of India for the post of Project Technician Support 2. The list of eligible ineligible candidate is attached below. Take ladap ai hang nei list Jong ki belong eligible adon tu belong ineligible adon ke remarks ladap ai hang tu no require experience tetater tengin saya page di sapage hi try ki layo jing tip hi ki belong eligible nomor ba interview num tagane ka dei lashai ka singi hang tu overage no require experience te eligible ki belong eligible te try ki layo jing tip hi ma ka dei lashai te sakan mau ada peningnya ineligible eligible candidate bon ki bom don experience ki balong ineligible ki bon ki bom don experience no require experience eligible ineligible no require experience tidak don ki bom pat jing tip te sakan mau on page Kyrteng lade nam ta ki apply ki post no required experience overage no required experience eligible tangba subject to verification of original certificate ki habra ki original certificate la shai kasni for the interview te ban long eligible ki habra agi certificate original overage ta important instruction the date of interview pada 3 August arjarap saw la shai kasni yang try ki layo jing tip hi ki balong eligible avenue pada CTR2 Department of Obstetric and Gynecology main OPD building Neigrihms Shillong reporting time pada khandai rispo wajim step interview pada rispo wajija sejrong. Only the shortlisted candidates are eligible for interview and the selection of candidates will be purely on interview basis. Campaign Bynta interview page jagajing selection. Note ADA will be provided. Shortlisted candidates are required to bring all the document original plus self-attested copy, tri-glass tip here, and one recent passport size photograph. Candidate without the required document at the time of interview strictly will not be considered. Kibom penbiang ikut isla kila adu page. The selection will purely on contractual basis. Kata ada tip here. And will be renewed based on the performance of the candidate. Project duration maximum of 2 years. Ka project ada arsnem te kinsa renew batch system. For any queries, please contact Principal Investigator Dr. Anya Das, Associate Professor Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology. Mobile number knai saulai ruway in rulai pra te kitu kibal ami hakalis kan mau ban lek lashai kan mau ban pe kapor ben poi apo ka kapor khandai rispo ka kapor ban register ben poi khamkloi la tame ketika por shipo jing ketika asu bagi nang sya biang de ki blami list akan mau ban lek na dapat i hang ne ki balong eligible long way a lai sau san reunyo pra na shipo kat way a lai sau san group kan yo pa kana airport way ar ngot baro ki balong eligible nam ta kan ne post tangine ki jing petip kule shibon